Friends, today I will share with you such 7 attitudes that if you make them a part of your personality, then people will start getting attracted towards you. Because the law of attraction says that you don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. That is why whenever you meet or talk to someone, people first judge you by your attitude. And if you do not have any of these 7 attitudes, then people will not be attracted to you. Because to be attractive, it is very important to have these attitudes in you. Number 1, being extremely clear. You must have noticed that when someone talks to you and he says something that hurts you or makes you feel bad, then to control this damage, people start twisting their words. They resort to these words. I did not mean this. You are misunderstanding. Let me explain. So basically by saying this, they are trying to prove that you are not understanding what they are saying. Your understanding is weak and the other person is confusing you by twisting his words. You really don't understand what the other person wants to say. If someone changes his statement again and again, doesn't take action on what he says, then people don't like such a person at all. On the other hand, the person who is completely truthful, who puts forward his point with full conviction and sticks to what he says, even if he hurts you by saying something bad, still that person accepts that he has said this. He doesn't twist the words to make you feel good and speaks directly. Everyone finds this attitude very attractive because people consider such a person to be fearless, honest, real, with a strong opinion and strong personality. Number 2, rejection is attractive. Imagine you have a plan to date someone, but you got some important work 1 hour before the date and you have to cancel your date and you text the person that I cannot come today. Today's date has to be canceled. Now, most of the time, before doing this, people think that by doing this, the other person will get very angry, but in most cases, this does not happen. Rather, by doing this, the other person subconsciously develops a respect for you because it shows that there are many other important things in your life. You are not a free person who has time for everything. Rather, you like to give importance to yourself more than to please others, due to which they start getting more attracted to you. That is why do not always be available for everyone. You might think that if you leave your important work and take out time for someone, then they will feel very good. They will respect you because you thought about them more than yourself. But this does not always happen. If you keep doing this, then slowly that person will start losing respect for you. That is why it is very important to develop this attitude in you. You don't have to always reject whenever someone calls you, nor be too available. You have to find a balance between this where you are always less available. Number 3, the social leader. Attractive people are leaders not only in their workplace, but also in their social circle. They are never afraid to take the first step. They are never afraid to talk to a stranger. They are ready for any new challenge. They take risks. What I mean to say is that they believe in themselves, which other people are not able to do easily. And this attitude looks very attractive to other people. For example, if you watch a movie, the hero in the movie also has the same traits. He is fearless and is the leader of his friend circle. Everyone listens to him. He does many adventurous tasks, and while watching movies, we also like such characters. In real life also, most of the people want to become the hero of their life, who can lead everyone. That is why you too should become a leader. Your financial condition, your looks, or your job profile does not define your attitude. You just need to change your mindset to develop the attitude of a social leader. Take a stand or fight for yourself. Don't become a side character with a group, but lead the group, which will make you a person with a very attractive personality. Number 4, walk away attitude. If you are in a relationship with someone or you have a friend who does not respect you, you have fights where you are not valued. People with walk away attitude never try to fix things. Their self-respect is so high that they can easily end any relationship, while normal people keep arguing with each other. On the other hand, people with walk-away attitude quietly leave that conversation because their time and energy are very important for them. If you want to impress someone, they will be impressed with you only when you show them their value, and if you start valuing them more than yourself, they will take advantage of you. They will feel that you can never leave them and they can behave with you the way they want. That is why if you show your needy nature everywhere, it becomes a very unattractive trait and people start running away from you. That is why you should develop such an attitude where people should feel that if they do not behave well with you, you can easily leave them. Number 5, quiet confidence. Not every kind of confidence is always attractive. For example, if you are exaggerating about your success or telling someone about your achievements, then no one will be interested in hearing how much you earn or what car you drive. Rather, if you're able to show off to people without exaggerating yourself, for example, if you have a lot of money, then you cannot attract anyone by showing expensive cars and rich lifestyle. You just attract people towards your money. On the other hand, if you have a lot of money, but you maintain a simple lifestyle and someone comes to know that you do a lot of charity, then this trait will attract people towards you. People will be impressed by your character and confidence, not by your achievements. This attitude is called quiet confidence, where you are confident but you are not shouting to people that you are very confident. That's why keep your success story or your achievements and all your future plans to yourself and let people discover themselves that how good a person you really are. Number 6. Imperfectly perfect. According to the pratfall effect, if you make mistakes, then people are more attracted to you. Researcher Elliot Aronson discovered first at the University of Texas how people can relate to mistakes and it becomes a sign of attraction. He showed a recording to the students of the University of Minnesota where people were giving a quiz. The people who performed well in the quiz and accidentally dropped the cup of coffee in the end, the students rated them higher in the likability factor, as compared to those who performed the same but did not accidentally drop the cup of coffee in the end. Friends, many people go to any extent to hide their mistakes. They lie, play mind games, and show themselves as if they are absolutely perfect. Because of this, the people in front of them are not able to relate to them. They start seeing them as too good to be true personality who is absolutely perfect. Also, everyone knows that this is practically impossible. Therefore, people who do not hide their mistakes, fight their shortcomings, and bad habits in front of everyone are very attractive because no one is perfect. We as human beings make mistakes and learn from them and keep moving forward. When you present this attitude in front of people, then people start relating to you. They feel that you are also like them, who are struggling to become a better version of themselves. Number 7. Rework attitude. Just imagine if someone's physical health is very bad, he has no control over himself. He tries many times to improve his health, but fails again and again, and finally gives up and lives an unhealthy life. So you tell me, will you be attracted to such a person? The answer is no. There is only one biggest reason to give up on any work, and that is failure. And the bigger the failure is, the greater the chance of giving up. The negative energy from failure forces you to never do that work. But Roger Fritz says, when you replace the word failure with mistake, then you do not give up. We know that we can correct it. For example, if you are solving a maths problem and you make a mistake in between, do you consider it a failure and give up, or do you solve that problem by working on your mistakes again and again? You should also add the same rework attitude in your personality so that if you fail in any way, remember that it is a mistake, which you have to correct and you can do it. So if you like this video, then support this channel by liking the video and clicking on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you do not miss the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.